Twist and pop. The unexpected twist for still wines. From forest to bottle, it delivers performance, sustainability, consistency, and convenience. With a simple twist to open and close. And it's not just easy to use. Bottling is just as simple. Twist and pop fits seamlessly into different bottle models, as well as into existing bottling lines. No major changes, just a smart setup. Designed for still wines, it works with standard corkers. Because of its T-shape, an orientator is required, and vacuum is recommended for optimal performance. Good bottling starts with precision. A clean, dry, and aligned bottleneck creates the right conditions from the start, beginning with the bottle choice. Keep insertion depths controlled and ensure consistent positioning. Then comes the key moment, cork insertion. With proper orientation, the cork is compressed smoothly and inserted with controlled speed and balanced pressure using vacuum. This ensures immediate stability. Headspace also plays an important role. Maintain at least 15 millimeters and stable temperature conditions. Positioning is critical. The cork sits just 1 millimeter above the bottleneck, ensuring the right grip and easy extraction. After bottling, a short pause makes a big difference. Keeping bottles upright for a few minutes allows pressure to stabilize and the cork stopper to naturally recover. From there, proper storage and transport. Moderate temperature, controlled humidity, and upright positioning whenever possible help protect wine quality over time. Behind every perfect closure, there's a well-maintained system. Clean contact surfaces, proper alignment, and smooth operation ensure reliable performance, bottle after bottle. Twist and pop, designed for convenience, easy to handle, and simple to bottle every step of the way.